Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to quickly share with you guys my July 2020 Allure box. I did receive it and wanted to come on here and just share with you guys. As you know, it does come with a little pamphlet, has some information on there as well. And we're just going to go ahead and dive into it. This box does retail for $15 a month. With tax, it's about $16 and some change, give or take. So I think it's definitely a great box. It's one of my favorites. I think that you get a lot of great products, and it's a mixture of skincare and other things as well as makeup. This month it looks like it's mostly skincare, if not all skincare. So we're just gonna go ahead and go into it. I'm gonna grab the book so I can just tell you what the prices retail for. Okay, so the first item I see is a Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum Luminous Translucent Peach Extract Peptide Complex 1.35 fluid ounce. It looks like that. And I've heard a lot of good things about this product. It is cruelty, toxin, gluten, and vegan free. It says no sulfates, no parabens, no synthetic fragrances or anything like that. Luminous Translucent Glass Skin Revolutionary Cocktail Extract to brighten and minimize the appearance of pores, helping you get your clearest, most radiant glass skin. So I'm really excited about that. I always love getting skincare products all the time. It is saying here that product retails for $39, and I don't know if this is a full size or not, but it is saying it retails for $39 on peachandlily.com. If you enter the Allure 10, you can receive 10% off of your purchase. So next item is the OC, I believe is how you pronounce it, Ocean Cleanser Mineralize and Balance. It's a 0.6 fluid ounce, and it looks like that. Very cute packaging. It says here that it's out of California. That's nice. It's non-toxic, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free. It says that it's for normal to dry and combo skin. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. It exfoliates to minimize, gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime and cypress and juniper energize skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. So that is awesome right there. It is saying here that it retails full size for $48. The full size is a 0.5 fluid ounce, or 5 fluid ounces, excuse me. $48. It says you can get it on ocmalibu.com. Enter Allure 15 and receive $15 off of your $90 order. Next item is the Botanique Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Looks like that. Very cute packaging. It retails for $16. I cannot get it out. I'm not going to waste so much time trying to get it out. But this is what it looks like right there. Very pretty. Achieve a natural dewy flush of color with the buttery cream blusher that blends seamlessly into cheeks and doubles up as effortless lip color. Crafted with 90% natural plant-based oils to nourish, condition, hydrate the skin for the most gorgeous creamy radiance cheeks and lips. And we have the Sunday Riley Cermicide Moisturizing Cream. This is a 0.3 ounce. It retails full size, which is a 1.7 ounce, for $65. And it says, if you could bottle glowy, dewy, radiant skin, this is the moisturizer that you would want. It's formulated with cermicides, which strengthen the physical barrier that keeps moisture in the skin. So that's awesome. I definitely need this because I am very dry. That is what it looks like. Can't wait to try that out. Let's see what it smells like. Doesn't smell bad, but doesn't smell great. Okay, and then they put a little thing in here to kind of talk about the Peach and Lily, so that's nice. Looks like we got a charcoal pore care sheet mask. It looks like that. This one retails for $3, and it's a detox face mask with salicylic acid and tea tree oil that will hydrate and pull out the dirt and clarify. It says it will help your skin feel brighter and hydrate it. So again, you know my deal with sheet masks, but I'm gonna try and I'm trying to get out of that, and so I'm definitely gonna be giving that a try. And then the last thing that we have here, it looks like it was just a little extra, is Acne Avarelli Acne Cover Patch. Cover blemishes invisibly, made with Sika, tea tree, and Candula oil. 8 clear patches. So you just those are going to come in handy tonight, because I have a ton of breakouts here in this area and I'm just over it. So it doesn't tell me the price, it just says that you can go to the website and save 20% for those patches. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Yeah guys, so I think this was a pretty good box. I'd have to say so myself. I think that it was decent. Had a lot of skincare, which is always nice. So I enjoyed it. I really did. I think that it was another good box. Although we didn't get any makeup really, I mean that lip and cheek balm, it was considered a makeup item. I still think it was a decent box. So I'm happy with it. For $16, you can't beat it. I know Peach and Lily's pretty pricey. And then again, this is pretty pricey full size. And the Sunday Riley's. So I'm glad to have that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you get this subscription and what you got that was different than mine. I'd love to hear that and know. Leave that down in the comments below. Also, let me know what you think of this subscription service. If you like it or don't like it and why. I would really appreciate your feedback. So if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, take a minute and just hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Also that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, so this is going to complete the video for today. Thank you all so much for watching and taking time. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.